Hello guys, if you've been hesitant about the rugged phones due to the bulky size and weight, the Phonemax is here to change that perception. This rugged phone combines excellent water, dust and shock resistance with the compact, lightweight design that fits perfectly in your hand. X3 rugged phone is a powerful device with exceptional durability, high accurate GPS, night vision camera functionality and comes with the appealing price tag. Check out this Phonemax X3 video review to learn more about this durable yet sleek device. Okay, let's start with the unboxing. Let's see what's in the box. Right above is our phone. I will put it aside for now. What else do we have here? SIM pin, phone user manual and a warranty card. Temporary glass, although this phone already comes with the installed screen protector out of the box. USB Type-C cable. And finally the charger. That was contents of this box. Now we can look at our smartphone. As you can see, with this 5.5-inch screen, the X3 is really compact and comfortable to hold and quite light for a rugged phone. Only 236 grams. The X3 wrapped in a comfortable and soft rubber exterior stands out with its unique aesthetics. The orange patterns on the X3 contribute to the sleek and modern appearance. All sides of the X3 are made of polycarbonate, slightly perforated, so that the smartphone is very comfortable to hold in the hand and it's totally anti-slip. As you can see, the power button is placed a little lower, perfectly within reach of the finger without straining, just like the volume buttons. On the opposite side, under the rubber cover that guarantees 100% water resistance, we find the SIM card drawer, which has two slots for as many as 2 4G SIM cards, or the option of the one SIM and the memory card at the same time. A little lower we find this button here. It is a shortcut key button which can be customized to perform various functions with the phone or compatible applications. This button can be activated with the one click, double press or long press. So this one button has 3 different functions with which you can start the application in the phone or function all according to your wishes. At the bottom of the phone we can find this large speaker and the microphone grills. Don't worry, it's all waterproof. You must be wondering where is the charging port, and here it is. On the top of the smartphone under the rubber seal, it is a USB-C charging port. On the back below the camera module we find the good old classic fingerprint reader sensor. From the front, between these interesting orange frames that represent the sporty accent and robustness on the phone and protect the screen, the Phonemax X3 sports an excellent compact 5.5-inch HD Plus IPS display with a resolution of 1440 by 720 pixels and 18:9 aspect ratio. This provides a pleasure experience for enjoying multimedia content, games and photos. When it comes to screen brightness, I encountered no issues with visibility or bright sunny days. The display remains bright and reliable in various lighting conditions. With the 16Hz refresh rate display, don't expect any groundbreaking features, but everything functions correctly and meets expectations within this price range. The vibrant screen and acceptable black value contribute to a commendable contrast ratio, enhancing color representation on the screen. Colors remain smoothly accurate, clear and sharp enough for pleasant viewing on the content on the screen. For users with moderate expectations, this screen is more than capable for daily web browsing and occasional YouTube video viewing. The plus is that this screen does not have any distractions such as a selfie camera module in the form of a notch or a hole which would disturb you when you're watching videos. This is a real classic display that we don't see anymore. As for the camera, in the frame above we find the 8 megapixel selfie camera lens which will handle all your selfies and video calls flawlessly. Shifting our focus on the back, the set of lenses, the Phonemax X3 unveils the 30 megapixel IF main camera accompanied by a groundbreaking 20 megapixel infrared night vision camera. This addition transcends the boundaries of low light and night photography, crowning the X3 as a luminary in this realm. The smartphone supports 1080 pixel video recording of 30 fps including video stabilization, promising a comprehensive toolset for capturing the essence of your adventures. The infrared night vision function is equipped with a 20 megapixel lens that offers clean vision in low light environments. This feature provides invaluable for nighttime activities like camping and observing nocturnal wildlife. Not to mention too much, to get a feel for the camera performance, it's best to check out sample photos and videos I took using our X3, so let's take a look. The Phonemax X3 runs on the latest Android 13 operating system, showcasing exceptional multitasking capabilities and a seamless app switching. It delivers a pristine Android experience, free from unnecessary bloatware or unexpected odds. The pre-installed Google Play Store ensures smooth synchronization when transitioning from other devices. The X3 provides extensive customization options, employing users to personalize dark themes, wallpapers, interface colors, and all other features supported by the latest Android version. The phone's user experience is carefully crafted for maximum user friendliness. In terms of performance, the X3 stands out, effortlessly handling tasks and applications without any noticeable lag. You can even enjoy a wide array of popular titles available on the Google Play Store. Thanks to the phone's solid UNISOC Tiger T606 processor, boasts two high-performance R75 cores running on the 1.6 GHz, paired with the 6 power-efficient R55 cores, ensuring optimal performance for both work and multimedia, providing a seamless, energy-conscious phone experience that ensures sufficient gameplay across most games. But don't expect any miracles here. While it ensures ample gameplay for most games, it's essential note that miracles should not be expected. This sample of our phone comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory, although on the manufacturer website it is indicated that there is also a stronger version with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. That might be enough for undemanding users, although we have to reach for a slightly stronger version. With a 5050 mAh battery, the X3 can be enjoyed in 2 days of use without any worries. The dual 4G LTE dual-band Wi-Fi with the global navigation system, L1, L5 dual-band high-accuracy GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and Baloo, X3 provide you with the accurate and reliable positioning capabilities. It keeps you connected wherever you go. Whether it's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or advanced mobile data capabilities, you can stay in touch with anyone you want. But let's not forget how a Phonemax X3 ensures the high standards of durability. IP68, IP69K ratings, waterproofness and dust protection, mil-STD 810H military standard of drop resistance. The X3 behaves like a Vario under harsh conditions such as extreme weather and rough hanging works, provides extra strength and sturdy features, better waterproof and dust resistant performance. This compact guy is designed for challenging off-road conditions with all resistance certifications, providing incredible resistance and safety. In conclusion, the Phonemax X3 is a game changer in the rugged phone category, defying expectations with its compact and lightweight design. Packed with its features like exceptional water, dust and shock resistance, high-accuracy GPS and powerful camera setup, this durable device offers a sleek and modern aesthetics. The 5.5-inch HD Plus display provides a vibrant and enjoyable viewing experience, complemented by a solid Android 13 operating system. With the robust UNISOC Tiger T606 processor, ample RAM and storage options, and the long-lasting 5050 mAh battery, the Phonemax X3 ensures seamless performance and extended usage. Its durability is unmatched. Overall, this smartphone combines toughness with style, offering an impressive package and an appealing price point. If you like this Phonemax X3 and want to know more, below the video you will find the official Phonemax link, so you will free to visit it and see what else Phonemax has to offer. That will be all for now today. See you soon in a new video review. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Until then, bye.